this is the solution to WEX 010. Okay, so it says to evaluate all of these things without any of those things. All right. So concerning this, raising to exponent 3 means make 3 copies and combine them all with multiply. So the first step would be to write something like, okay, well, this is 4 x squared w, so that's 1 copy, 4 x squared w, another copy, 4 x squared w, 3 copies, and now all multiplied together. Now, because multiplication is associative, we can drop those parentheses, so it would read 4 x squared w, 4 x squared w, 4 x squared w. Now we can commute things into the order we want. So this would be 4, 4, 4, x squared, x squared, x squared, w, w, w. Fine. So concerning the 4s, 4 times 4 times 4, you know, that's 64, so 64. Concerning these x's, in the first place I'll need to write x, x, because that's x squared, x, x, because again, and then x, x, again. So then now just counting the w's, that's 3 of them, so that'd be multiply w cubed, and then now counting the x's, there's 6 of them, so this would be 64 x to 6 w cubed. All right. As for this one, we can do it like the following. So in the first place, the numerator, because that's a division, we could write this like well, 24 multiplied by z. In fact, I don't even want to write 24. Rather, I want to factor it out, right? So 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So this would be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply. Now z multiply z multiply z. And then w's would be w multiply w multiply w multiply w multiply w multiply w multiply w. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And then over 16, so that would be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, so that's the 16. And then z multiply z, that's the z squared. And then multiply w, multiply w, multiply w. So that's all of those. And now, you know, we can pair things up. So that will cancel, 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 and that will cancel. So then writing what remains in the numerator, so the first thing that remains is that 3, and then a z, and then those w's, and in the denominator 2 remains. So writing all that, you know, we could write it like 3/2, okay? And then z, and then w to 5.